Hello everyone, welcome back. And the next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the justify content property in tweet embed. So, the last challenge showed an example of the justify content property. For the tweet embed, this property can be applied to align the items in dot profile name, that is profile name class element. Add the CSS property justify content to the headers class profile name element and set the value of any options from the last challenge and set the value to any of the options from the last challenge. So first we have to see profile name. In this case it's flex direction to column. So when we justify content and give value of flex start, it should not do anything, just, and if we change it to flex end it should bring it down. Yeah, if we use a space evenly, then it should a space evenly, and like this we can try other, like space around, it will leave some space around, and a space between it pushes the elements to the opposite ends, and we can always use center to center the name. So let's go with a space between. Nah, that doesn't look good. A space evenly. Yeah, it's almost okay. So let's go with that. The test case. The profile name element should have the justify content property set to any of these values: center, flex start, flex end, a space between, a space around, and a space evenly. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.